people, I greet everybody. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, depending on where you listen from. This should not pass, man. I just wake up, so see, man, make I just quickly throw light for the recent happening, which happened recently for Benin, especially around the palace environs of our great father, Oba Eware. Oba Atokpe. What I want to try to talk be say PDP they do their own rally and they say make I go collect prayer from our father, which is normal. You understand? Before you flag off your campaign, at least to go appreciate the presence of our father, which is our king. You know. Now, APC talk on a go. The Stanford Road, they bull our governor with your own visitor, which is with your own entourage. My brothers, on how they use now pray, on how they use now number 6. PDP they do their thing. What it concern APC for inside? What it concern una? On how they use now pray? If this man they quiet, say you know they talk. You don't want react, you don't want all they use that brain. If you pursue goat, if you pursue and reach war, when we say man, you don't see where to turn back, he go face you, you not get to escape, he go face you. You feel me? People they use number 6 now. Why? How? On office say I get power and I get because the man they don't do anything. My brothers, what are they using our brain? Oh? Election never started. This is just a flag off for election, a flag off campaign. Una go the bull a whole city governor with your own visitor. My guy, they play with fire. If you don't know, make una know. In a state, the governor is the chief security officer. You like it or not? He get to tell you, say, man, he don't want you for his state, his territory. Every day, nothing that happen. Just as President Buhari, he get as a chief security officer, he get to tell you, man, he don't want you for within territory of Nigeria. Nothing that happen every day. Can anybody do this kind of thing to Oshomole when he be governor? Man, Oshomole, see, make you use your brain, All this evil when they perpetrate, so when they want, you don't hire people, they go, they bull a whole city governor, my guy. Retrace your step, When you be governor, nobody want to you, I gotta tell you the truth. And for you, my brother, Tony Kabaka, your face they show for TV now. Your face they channels TV everywhere. They show, say man, when they carry them, what they call her microphone, they talk. What they concern you for PDP rally? You be granted APC member. Caucus APC. What did they concern you for PDP gathering? My brother, use your brain now. If person not go school, no mean say in overseas not they work. And they see some people who say they not go school, but there is a part where go school. Why? You carry they show yourself. Anywhere they perpetrate evil, now there you go show yourself. My brother, use your brain now. You suppose know what I talk about. You know me, I know you now, my brother. If you feel say and nothing they happen, everything they happen. Oh. Now one stone kill Goliath, And one stone I kill Goliath. And the same blood they flow for everybody body. As being day now, anybody feel buy land now, if you do things on the own without going to paying too many money into wrong hand. Or not like her. Development they come not like her. After if I watch Benin for home video, the way the roof, everything in new house they day, and they get joy. Or not like good thing. Before Obaseki come into that state, people buy land for more than 20 years. They mow block for more than 15 years. They don't fit lay foundation. Because of illegal money when they stored for people. This man come with our father himself. Oba Atokpe, Oba Eware, the second. They cancel those things. Development begin enter the state. On the verse. My brother, nobody get monopoly of violence. Nobody get monopoly of violence. Everybody na Superman on the own. If you na feel say man, say una be Superman. Say una be Superman una, oh my guy, forget it. Forget it. I know that they talk, eh? Now just wake up. Don't go disturb PDP rallying and their movement. APC scheduled that yesterday for their movement or for their rally. What it concern APC, concern PDP? One I will gather for them, they bull a whole sitting governor. Man, well, I don't blame Nasha, but you know what? You know why I blame? I blame my governor because he's too quiet, he's too gentle for my liking. I tell you the truth. If na me be him, I go get all of you arrested, put you behind the bar until after election. I'm telling you the truth. Until after election. He's too quiet and too gentle. You understand? Now the cause of this thing, I lead all this thing so because he's a gentleman, you don't like wahala, you don't like problem, you know, everybody now they feel say man. So my people, I beg. When I try to talk, you don't share be say man. Make una come on have a violence. Election never reach, eh? But for those of them where they feel say man on the day of election say hair go rule, hair no they rule anything. Hair no they rule anything. They hear me so hair no they rule anything. Since on a prepare say man say na violence no want to use the people too go see prepared to defend their vote too through violent way. Nobody carry two head come now. Nobody carry two head come. Everybody get blood for body. Everybody think. Nobody carry two head come. If you feel say man, say now you get power, you be Superman. Guy forget. On that day, you go surprise say man, waiting hit fly. Fly go feel fly come on, you go see move ahead. It go hit you, you know go get up. When I use my brain, when I use my brain, my brother. Nothing say I don't place. I believe I don't say I just play when we say if you just come, you do undo, nobody go ask you. My guy, forget that issue. People go ask you, we did diaspora, nothing that happen. We'll see come down. If you feel say man, if you not feel say man, say on a day one or two things say man, say if they protect una, forget those things when they not protect una, they don't send una that message. When I do so because all this when I do so na personal interest. Now they do. Una don't want do for our own personal interest. Now our own personal greed. Now the cost now they go to this extent. Before when they talk about courtesy, people don't dey inside there. If you don't know. People don't dey inside. Now there be old men, they used to stick the waka. You know understand? We dey regard them. Before we talk about talk and the rest of them, people don't play those game pass many years ago. You understand? People don't play those game pass. Not be today now. People don't do protocol officer, do many things, follow politicians. They don't collect money, they don't resign. They day. They don't carry everything put for head. They need to say one parable for my place. They say if you see old man mouth, you don't know say don't saw breast. Tony Kabaka, use your brain. Use your brain. You don't reign. You don't make name. You don't be like say man, your name will go down the drain just for small thing when not reach anything. I know that I talk. Now I advise you, if like you take, if you like don't take. It's never too late. Retrace your step and align with, make peace with people around you. Problem no good. Now let you beneath they destroy your house, your hotel. What it mean they destroy your hotel? Now your mouth. Every time unguided or transit where they come off your mouth, they insult governor and insult every. No, my brother, you don't need to insult governor. There are ways to kill a rat without destroying the pot. You understand? You can't do anything they run out. All this when they do so, my brother, I they bleed, I they para for you. You don't understand? I they para seriously. Age, you see not me fine. It's accepted. But you know what I talk about. I they bleed seriously for you. You are not supposed to be in that scene yesterday to start with. No talk or even carrying microphone saying trying to address saying that you be the Egbeweja. My guy, use your brain, Use your brain, so that may not lose everything when you get, I know what I tell you, Just say the governor, Godwin Obaseki, a gentleman, a very quiet man. You understand? Now true leader. Now people, if now some people like Opushomole and I, they do all those things against. If I don't send you exile, send your family exile. You don't call exile. Abraham, use your brain, eh? Use your brain. I greet everybody. Now, let advice when I can't give you that to. If I like, when I take. If I don't like, see through one. If some people go see, they go see insult me. No problem. Make una insult. Me, I don't get problem. I only advise. If I come down, you meet me one-on-one, then you go know the kind of person I be. You understand? Aye.